So I'm putting in a new board, 24 wide, 8 inches high, thickness of 3/4. Take that board, and I'm just going to go to the board detail level, double click, go to shape, I'm going to select this point and move it to the left by 8. I'm going to take this point, move it to the, I said left before, that was right, left by 8, like that, and I have my board. Go into assembly level, go into that assembly, take this board, I'm just going to slide it to the left a bit, rotate the board. Well, before I rotate it, I'm going to clone it. Take that board, clone and mirror, put it over the other side. Take this board, rotate it, and as I slip through, you can see I'm really going to leave it at 45. So what I want to do is take that board, take it off the bottom, and move it toward the left a little bit. When you're rotating, there's a lot of times when the board goes outside of the limit. And look at the different ways this can be rotated. Rotate. Come over here. Rotate. And now all I have to do is line up the two boards. So I take this blue dot and copy this blue dot and paste, and there you go.